have no shrimp.
Rinse the shrimp.
Okay, these are things...
There's nothing been in that
We
sink.
need more shrimp.
Don't let the pressure get to you.
You bloody lost it. You lost it completely.
Yes, chef.
And you want to know? She got you back. She calmed you down.
The team members will cook for an equal amount of time and switch off at regular intervals.
Just leave it on the cutting board. Start whipping.
I just gotta make sure I have the right amount.
Is this gonna be, I think this is enough shrimp.
Yep.
Right?
The judges are about to signal their first switch.
Switch!
Just to recap, you got salt, sugar, sesame oil.
Do you remember what's in the fillings?
It's a filling. You have to put in pork fat and corn flour.
Can't make it all sticky.
It's going inside pastry. So it should be slightly over-seasoned to compensate for the pastry, the wrapper.
Needs a little salt. Okay. That's good, that's good. Not too much pepper, just a pinch, right?
I know.
After the filling, you start the dumplings.
You have that rolling pin right here.
Roller?
Use the knife.
No, I need the roller.
There isn't one.
Oh, my God, man. I need to make my grandpa proud. It'll be a total dishonor to him if I don't bang out this awesome dim sum.
We have 45 minutes.
Okay, we're fine.
The water's boiling for the bamboo shoots.
Kayla, why are you making so much? It seems that you're making enough to do 30 dim sum.
Check your shrimp, Eric. I don't want it to be broken down mush.
Oh!
Come on, Eric. Come on.
No, we have no shrimp.
Rinse the shrimp.
Okay, these are things...
There's nothing been in that
We
sink.
need more shrimp.
Don't let the pressure get to you. You got this.
Full of water. I'd get a colander.
Get a colander. Get a colander.
Fine.
Chef just said.
I have made dim sum. A little bit of water,
For
fine.
God's sakes, get the colander.
Not to take pleasure in anyone's misery, but
If there's a little bit of water, it's fine. I've done this
No,
before.
it's not okay. That will send us home.
it looks like they're done for.
Well, what will a little water do when you're steaming a dumpling?
The
Please
chef
explain
will
to me.
call us out on it, I swear to God. There we go. Chin up and we're gonna win this, okay?
How's it taste?
Not enough. When you come back, that's the first thing I want you to do is taste that, okay?
Yeah.
We have all our components? We're getting there. If we're missing a component, we'll, like, go home.
Switch!
Kidding me?
Cut that pork. We're just gonna get everything ready.
What have you done?
We've done the filling, we've done the... Now we're gonna prep the spring roll.
So do I have to slice them this way first? Just
Straight down.
thin slices?
Thin slices, yes.
Thin, exactly like the cabbage.
When they're all done, sliced, prepped, what you gonna do with them? You need to have a vision. You need to know what you're working towards in order to get this done.
Yes, chef.
You're the one who's guiding Pino. You're the one who knows what they're doing. Is it a one-man show?
No, chef.
You sure?
Yes, chef.
Switch!
Switch. Okay, move, move, move. My turn, move, move.
You have 30 minutes remaining. Your final 30 minutes.
We can't taste anymore. We just gotta make them.
Your filling should be done. You should be making dumplings. Pino's pacing like he's in the delivery room. I think it's twins. That's. So which one is the toughest to shape? Hagao, definitely.
How are you at the hot gal?
Which one's that one?
Shrimp with the rice wrapper.
I can fold it.
Those are my toughest. I can do everything else.
Okay, then I'll do those.
No, I'm doing the hot out right now.
Okay.
What's the skill needed? Well, I think to get the nice thin skin to form that nice shell-like dumpling.
Just try and make them very pretty. Nobody wants an ugly dumpling. Good job. Those look great.
I'm gonna do the sumai.
Siumai, pork dumplings, actually takes very long to cook. It's a lot of filling. It's sheer pork, man, so that should be on.
It's got so much fat in it that it lasts long. It stays moist.
Make 4 perfect ones and we don't have to make any more.
I'm gonna make 6.
How are those going, Rita? Good? Yeah, so far so good. Don't drop. Make sure that doesn't fall. Right after that, you're gonna do the spring roll.
I feel like I'm on my own in this challenge.
Eric has just gotten the shumai in the steamer, and now he's moving on to spring rolls.
Great frickin' job.
You know how to do spring rolls.
I don't know how to fold them perfectly.
I can walk you through it.
Yeah, I'll roll it. No problem. How many you got so far?
I got 3 done.
Nice. See if you can make those up before we switch. Pump it out, darling. Pump it out.
Now, if I get switched in, you
There won't be a switch. There can't be a switch.
Yeah, there will be. You just tell me what to do.
Switch!
Are you...
Okay, you just tell me what to do. Okay, keep wrapping those.
Okay, you need to fry these light.
10 minutes! You have 10 minutes left. You should be starting the spring rolls.
I want you to get a bowl with the egg wash. Sorry, I don't know what we're using this for. It's gonna help us seal our spring roll.
When Marita gets behind the station, she brings the whole team forward.
I already peeled off 2 for you.
And then when Julie gets there, it just lags back again.
This comes to a halt.
It does.
I don't see it. They're right on the board, Julie.
Do not forget about the spring rolls that
No,
are
I'm
here.
not going to, trust me.
I cannot make another spring roll.
Eric and Kayla, they're like two separate teams completely.
They want it so much, the emotion is getting the better of them.
They're perfect.
Okay, multitask. When the oil's hot, you need to put the pot stickers in.
I think this is working perfectly for Mike. He made a right decision. Very strategic.
Okay, we need to fucking hurry up here. Seriously.
Tamara and Pino are the only team right now that do not have any baskets in their steamer.
Are you sure?
We need to put them in the fucking steamer. We are in crunch time now. One of us will go home if we don't have the components. There's 4 in there, Pino.
3, I'm doing this one
Okay,
now.
we need 1 more.
They're in deep trouble. If they have nothing in the steamer, they are toast.
Okay, put them on now.
I can't believe the stress level is going on in this kitchen. No one's gonna get this done.
We gotta get the hog out. Okay, so I'm not doing these? Finish it, finish it. Just do it. Okay, drop it in the fry and I'll keep an eye on it while you do the rest. It opened.
If you don't put the right amount of egg wash so it seals before you fry it,
You're supposed to use the egg to stick it. I didn't know that, Marita. Spring rolls are coming out right now. Good?
Yes.
Dump them out here and salt
They
them.
done?
Yep. Just salt it. Okay, done. Done. Just leave them.
Switch!
Come on.
5 minutes left!
5 minutes left.
yeah, it's really hard to tell who's doing the best right now.
Eric, this is the biggest 5 minutes of your life.
I think the final couple of minutes is going to be very important. Remember, they still have to put it together in the platter.
Tamara, just put everything on this plate.
You got this, Marita. Good job. Eric, those are done.
2 minutes left!
I need the sumac. Here.
I can't do anything.
Don't forget to put the caviar on top, remember? A little bit of Tabasco on top. For your grandfather.
1 minute, pass me on the platter!
This is all you, girl.
Good job, Marita. You got this.
30 seconds!
Ah!
Yes, Tamara.
I want beautiful presentation!
I can't watch this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
We never got those.
2, 1, stop!
Yeah.
Ow!
It's time to taste your dishes.
Marita and Julie, please bring your dim sum up.
Marita definitely carried that for sure.
What happened to the 5th? The shrimp dumpling.
It didn't make it on the platter today.
Why not?
Couldn't get them wrapped in time.
Wow. Who's to blame for that misstep?
I guess the 2 of us.
Really? Is that what you think, Julie?
I had them rolled out. She was the one trying to fill them. So I don't know what happened.
What happened here? God, look at that. You can see that it exploded in the fryer.
I've never made those before.
These look nice, on the other hand. Who's responsible for the filling?
I was, chef.
That's dim sum. Big flavors. It's tender inside. That's close to the real thing.
Thank you, chef.
This I still can't get over.
I'm really sorry.
Come on, Julie, get it together. I can't even look at her. I'm gonna start to cry too myself.
It's burnt. It's very greasy. That's unfortunate. Please go back to your station.
Tamara and Pino, please bring up your dishes.
Looks impressive. Who did what?
It was pretty much a joint effort. Tamara did a lot more of the seasoning because she has a keener sense on what to make in the dim sum.
Pino was able to do all the other stuff when we're switching off that I'm not able to.
It was a time to lead and a time to follow, and this time for me was definitely a time to follow.
Spring roll. Well, the color's nice. I must say, it's very good.
Thank you, chef.
Seasoned nicely, deep frying, crispy and not greasy. Now, hakao, shrimp dumpling, is the hardest one. Pastry and also the thickness, I think you got it right.
Thank you very much.
Unfortunately, seasoning, a little bit bland. But other than that, very impressive.
Thank
Coming
you.
from you, that's amazing.
That's-
Thank you,
yeah.
chef.
So tell me what you put into the sumai.
We have some pork, we have sugar, sesame oil, and shiitake mushrooms.
So I should be able to taste all those flavors.
Yes, chef.
Did you taste it yourselves?
We did, actually.
You know what? Those flavors came through.
Thank you very much, chefs.
You're the best.
Job best.
Kayla, Eric, please bring your platter up. I must say, that actually looks very professional. But then, your grandfather had a dim sum restaurant, right? Looks like he passed a lot of that to you. Well, Mike, definitely you put two cats in a cage. And they definitely came out fighting. But I don't think you got the result you wanted.
No, but at one point, though, Eric did get a bit frazzled.
You bloody lost it. You lost it completely.
Yes, chef.
And you want to know? She got you back. She calmed you down.
Thank you, Kayla.
We both did great.
So let's see the hagao. You can see it's a little bit loose. That's not what a proper hagao should be. Severely under-seasoned. The shrimp is overcooked and quite bland. Did you actually taste any of the filling?
No, chef.
You didn't. You have to.
Who's responsible for the spring roll?
That was both of us, but he gave great leadership on what to do.
Do you agree that it was a collaboration, the spring roll?
Absolutely, chef. She did the mise en place, and then I finished wrapping it.
That's perfect. Great flavor, great texture, exactly what I expect from a spring roll.
Thank you, chef.
Very nice.
The seasoning is disappointing. Overall, great presentation, portion size, quality. Just a little letdown on the taste. Please go back to your station.
This is my cuisine. And it's really frustrating because I wanted perfection.
I knew they were going to nail us for that.
It's not good enough to keep us here.